Hello and welcome to the Genius tutorial. Today we would like to show you how you can share reports with different people in your company. In order to do this, we're going to share the report that you can see here on the screen, showing the turnover of all the shops over the recent years. If you would like to know how to create such a report, you can have a look at our other video, which is called How to Create My First Pivot. So let's get started. In order to share a document, you need to click on the document name and then select Share from the tabs and then click on the plus. And here you can define how you want to share your report and with whom. So first of all, I would like to share with my shop managers. In my example, I've got a few of them and they're all in charge of a set of different shops. So I need to click on the plus and then I start typing shop. And now you can see here the list of the different users and also the user groups. They are marked with square brackets and I want to choose shop manager. So I click on shop manager and then I click OK. Then I want to define the share mode, which is going to be read only. And then I've got different data permissions and I want to make sure that my users only see what they're entitled to. So I leave it on user opening the document. Then I want to make sure that my managers see all the steps of the document. So I select this from the visible steps section. And then I'm going to leave the share type on regular document share so they will find this document in their documents folder. Now I want to add another share, so I'm going to click on the plus and share this with my shop users. Those are the people who are in charge of only one particular shop. So I click on the plus and then start typing user, and here again I've got the list of my specific users and the shop user group, which I'm going to select. And click OK. And then share mode, I want to have read only as well, same data permissions as previously. And then I want to make sure that these people only see the final report. So I want to define the step that will be visible to them. So I click on visible step and then I select the final step they want to make sure they see. Click OK, and here I want to impose this report in the user's left menu, which is here. So when he opens up his system, he's going to see the report immediately showing up there in the menu. So here we go, I've done my shares, and now I'm going to show you how this is going to look when I log in with a different user. So I'm going to log in as one of my shop managers. I'm going to choose the one who is in charge of the southern region. So I click on login and the system immediately opens up on the last report that this person's been looking at. And remember, I shared this as a regular share, so we have to find this in my documents folder. So I click on view all documents, open up the shared with me folder, and then I've shared under the name of Genius. So I need to open this as well. And here you see the report that I've shared. I select it and click on open. And now you can see that this report is showing the data only for the 4 shops that this manager is in charge of. So let's see what happens when I log in as a shop user. So I have chosen the shop Berlin, so I'm going to log in. And just as previously, the system is opening up on the last report or dashboard that the user's been looking at. And remember, I imposed the report on the user's left-hand menu. So that's where you're going to find it, just here. So you click on it and the report appears. And as you can see, now it gives only the data for Berlin. So that's it for the shares. Thank you for watching and don't forget to check out all our other videos.